this wind. Hurry your butt up. Climb your bony butt up there.
It's hard.
It's hard. I ain't jumping off no roof.
Stop.
Alright, one of these days you gonna go. Ah, shoot. Not on snow, you goof.
No, that's down there. Here.
No.
Okay. It's harder for me to get up there than y'all.
No, it's harder for you. I mean, harder for me. Because I'm so big.
But I'm tiny and I can slip off. What else can you do?
Fast start frog splash.
What's a fast one?
What I did. That. With your feet and your legs. No, it's like this. With your right. You jumping. You gonna sit down. Yeah, hold it. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, front flip.
I'm not doing no front
I
flip.
just did one.
Put this on
I'm bigger
Facebook.
than you.
Yeah? What that mean?
Put this on Facebook.
What that mean is
Big man on the roof.
He can't get up there.
told you.
I'm doing another front flip.
Jump. That was fun. It's gonna take 2 years before you get up there.
Down in the front.
I get up there by holding the course since it's frozen stiff.
I don't think you can get up there.
Hmm? Hurry up, man. My hands is freezing. Front flip. Big man. Big man. All that black flying. Thought it was Batman.
Oh, shit.
Don, it's your turn to record.
No.
Yes. Oh. I'm gonna go again. Ah.
Goofy. Shoot, now I'm all freezing.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Whew.
I can't do no backflip.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna bust yourself. Don't even try it.
I can do a backflip.
Okay.
What is so funny? I ain't gonna try it. I'll try something else.
I told you. I ain't try it if you ain't sure.
What should I do?
Something? She can't do no backflip.
Why not?
She can try, but she gonna bust her stuff.
Yeah, I will once I'm stuck. What else? Tell me. Give me something.
With a front
Cannonball.
flip with a twist.
Do a what?
Front flip with a
Cannonball.
How can you do that?
Cannonball.
Yeah.
And call it out.
All the way.
Huh?
Tuck in all the way.
And call it out.
Cannonball!
Yeah. She all.
Did you get that on there?
No, I was too busy getting him. She. Whoa, whoa. Shamar, look.
Y'all ain't getting on the roof. Talking trash.
Sienna.
No! Y'all not getting up there. Y'all can do it from off the garbage can.
Go.
Woo!
Alright, get me now.
No, Sienna!
No.
Come here. I'm scared. No.
No. Come here.
Y'all get up off the garbage can.
Y'all go jump on.
You want to jump? Jump off the garbage can. Go ahead and get a stand on the garbage can. No. Oh, don't cry. Over here. Stand, get up here. Get on the garbage can.
Almost landed on the bike. You cool.
No. Put your feet up here. Turn the other way. Up here. Get your feet up there.
Cannonball.
Stand up. Not sit down. Stand up. So you can jump off. So you ain't getting nobody no close-ups like that. Oh, Don, you did.
Oh, Don, record this. Here.
What y'all gonna do?
Here, record this, Don.
Hold on, let me put my gloves on. Take your glove off.
Oh, shut
Up.
I'm gonna put mine on.
Record this. The other way, Goofy.
You wanna do it? Shut up or you're going to have somebody want to end up crying. Jump this way. Jump! Jump!
See, now that's how you do it.
Oh, God. You ain't have to jump. Fell back. You ain't recording, so
You want to do it again?
do it again so we can get you on camera. You do it backwards this time.
You want to do it again?
Record him right quick. You cold?
Get over here. Get out of here.
Uh-oh.
You okay? You have fun?
Don, pick him up. Hurry up. Don't let no snow get in there. Hurry up, Don. I can't pick him up.
You okay, Mama? Look at you. That fun? Get out of here. Gonna do it again, see how fast?
Go see Anna. X Games, please. Okay, wait till I tell you. You okay? No, don't jump that way. Jump this way. Yes. Yes, I told her. Turn around. And come on. Jump.
Hey! Yay! Fly! Yay!
Don't see her like that. Like you did, Don.
Hey, that's 9 minutes.
Brush your gloves on. Brush yourself out so you won't get cold without it snowing. Do this. Do this. I'm in school for this. Oh, yeah.
This is what you do when you're bored and there's a lot of snow. Just to reconcile.
Oh, let's brush you off. Come on. Uh-oh, your gloves coming off. Get them gloves.
Record this, Don. Watch this. Brianna, come here.
Oh,
Watch your hand.
A jiggy mixtape. Let's brush you off some too, so y'all won't get cold. I ain't even getting cold.
I ain't really
My
either.
wrist getting cold.
My foot is.
Let's see right there. Toss it. Come on. You want to jump higher? Come in.
Where you gonna throw ass up?
Get over here.
Yay! Woo!
Get fired. Up, Mars' turn.
Get over here.
He landed right too. He landed right with his head up. Smart boy.
There you go.
All right, that's it.